Yebo, inganeza wathi impela sibona lapha ku President Cyril Ramaphosa ngenkathi bekhuluma nabezindaba bembuza ngokuphepha kwa Commissioner ola esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi emva kwezinsolo ezinzima ke awazenza lapha ke wayesola ke uMinister of Police uyena kusenzo Mchunu kanti ke bafowethu uthema ngabe phendula lapha kumongameli wathi impela ke akabone ke engaphephile ke uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi njenga commissioner ngoba ke impela ke mangaba koyiphoyisa ukuphepha kwakho vele kusuke kuphezulu ke ngeneza wothi impela thina ke simbuzo sithi MTV sithi nje esinishele lapha kumongameli ngenkathi ke ebephendula zona ke izintatheli yake nizwele.
From General News, with this inquiry taking this much time a year, you said next, is there security measures in place for the commissioner? Have you beefed up his security measures, his life and so forth?
Whose life?
The KZN commissioner, the Lieutenant Mkhwanazi.
I have not heard that the KZN police commissioner could be in danger, but he is a police official, and as a police official, obviously he has people who support him in his work. So I think his life should be well secured, because as a police official with a number of other police officials working with you, there should be no danger.